In this tutorial, I'll show you how to apply any design to clothes in Photoshop. This is a very easy and interesting tutorial, so let's get started. There are many ways to select clothes in Photoshop, but in this tutorial, I'll use the Quick Selection tool. Select the tool and slowly click on the white clothes to build the selection. Once the white dress is selected, press Ctrl+J twice to make 2 copies of the dress layer. Rename the top layer to blur or any name you like. Renaming is optional. Now keep the top layer selected. Go to Filter, then Blur, and select the Gaussian blur. Set the blur radius to 3 pixels. Now we need to save this file. Go to File and choose Save As. Then save it with a name like Displace or Displacement. After saving the file, we no longer need the top blur layer, so simply delete it. Now simply drag and drop the fabric design just above the subject. Adjust it so it fully covers the white dress. Then press Enter. Right-click on the design layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Now change the layer mode from normal to multiply. Keep the design layer selected. Go to Filter, then Distort, and select Displace. Here, you can change the horizontal and vertical scale values according to your design. Keep the other settings the same as mine. When you press OK, a new window will open. Select the same displacement file that we saved earlier. Now keep the design layer selected. Click on the Layer Style button and choose Blending Options. Hold the Alt key on the keyboard and slightly move this slider like I am doing. This will improve the highlights and shadows on the clothes. Cool. Looks perfect. The design is now applied to the white clothes. If you want to change the design, simply double-click on the design layer and import another design inside it. Then press Enter. Now press Ctrl+E to merge both layers. Now go to the File menu and save it. When we return to the original window, the dress design will be updated automatically. Hit the like button if you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.